if the ad says something like this, and you should be writing this down, by the way, you can run this for free, and I will promise you, you'll have 20 or 30 leads by morning if you do this. Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, if you're a struggling realtor that needs to get yourself some closings, you need some cash, you're absolutely going to love this training. I'm going to show you a very simple approach that you can utilize here to start generating some immediate business for yourself. You want to know the cool part? It's totally free. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to spend any money on ads. It's a very simple approach. So let me give you an example of how this works. We recently did a live event where I had agents in the room, and I just kind of off the cuff while in a conversation said, hey, if you ran an ad like this, what do you think would happen? We had an agent that ran that ad totally free at the place that I'm getting ready to tell you, ran the ad at $0, got over 300 leads in one day. Now, that's because she messed it up and got some bad leads. You should be getting about 50 a day, but I think you'll agree that's the best thing you've ever done in your life. So I showed her how to adjust that to get better results. Let me show you what this is. So you obviously know that Facebook has a program called Facebook Marketplace. Now, for lack of a better term, Facebook Marketplace is like an online classified section, much like Craigslist. You're probably familiar with Craigslist. If you got a bike for sale, you can put the bicycle on there, and people that are interested will respond. Well, Facebook Marketplace is working really well for realtors, and the cool part about that is it's totally free to advertise on there. You don't need to spend any money. You don't have to understand technology. You don't need any softwares to make it work. So what we've done is we've done a real simple ad. I'll give you an example. So if the ad says something like this, and you should be writing this down, by the way, you can run this for free, and I will promise you, you'll have 20 or 30 leads by morning if you do this. So the ad's going to say something like this: renting for over $1,500 a month? Inbox me your rental amount, and I'll send you 3 houses you could own for the same monthly payment. So any version of that, right? Let me give it to you again. Renting for over $1,500 a month? Inbox me your rent amount, and I'll send you 3 houses you could own for the same monthly payment. That's a very good offer that's going to get people that are renting. Now, what we did at the live event was we said, inbox me your rent amount, and I'll show you 3 houses you could own for the same rent. Well, people were sending like $500, $800. We don't want that. So you want to look at a first-time home buyer as an example. What price range would they be buying in, and what would that monthly payment be? I only want people that rent for that much. So if it's $2,200 a month, we would say, renting for over $2,200 a month, inbox me your rental amount, and I'll send you 3 houses that you could own for approximately the same monthly payment. That's going to get boatloads of leads. Now, how you convert those, we teach a lot of that in the coaching class, because again, it's easy to get 50 leads by tomorrow. You're going to inbox me here on Facebook and say, Greg, I can't believe it. I got 57 leads overnight. This is the greatest thing in the world. Oh my gosh, how do I convert them? So you've got to know how to convert them as well. First question you got to ask them, do you qualify? Do you have a credit score over 680? Have you been on the job for over 2 years? Do you not have a bankruptcy in the last 2 years? All of those qualifications you need to have. But what we're talking about here is if you're struggling as a real estate agent, it's your fault. Because there's totally free marketing that will get you clients right now. And if you can get good quality buyers right now, that's a good way to go. Now, there's a million options you can do as far as getting sellers too. I'm trying to keep it very brief here to show you exactly what you need to do to pick up buyer prospects. But I'm telling you right now, you will have the false sense of movement by running this ad and getting 30 leads if you don't know how to convert. It's going to feel good. You're going to feel like, wow, I got 30 new leads. I can't believe this is the greatest thing I ever did. No, it's not. Not unless you get closings from this. How do you move them from online to offline? How do you get them to agree to meet with you at the local Starbucks or Panera or at their house or at your office or whatever the case is? So I want you to run that ad and then hit me up here tomorrow. Let me know if you generated enough leads, first of all, and what kind of quality you got. I think the big factor, by the way, comment below if this is helpful for you, if it gets the ideas going for you. Simply put in a comment. Let me know your thoughts on this. We've got a lot of tips that I can share with you if we find that it's helpful. So if this is helpful for you, let me know so that I can get you more information like this. Because look, if we can move the needle for you, if we can get you closing more transactions, obviously you're going to stick around for a long time. Obviously you should be following our page, like this video if it is helpful for you, because that's going to help in showing us what you do and don't like, what's helpful for you. So go to Facebook Marketplace, simply post that ad that says, hey, are you renting for over X dollars a month? Inbox me your rent amount, and I'll show you 3 houses you could own for the same monthly payment. And I'll promise you, you will get dozens and dozens of leads. You then have to know how to convert them. I can help you with that as well. That's the easy part once you understand the structure of how you're going to meet them face-to-face. So hopefully that's helpful for you. And we've got lots more I'll be sharing with you. Make sure you're subscribed to all of our channels, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. And I've got something big I'll be announcing for you here for all of you that are watching. I've got something big I'll be announcing here soon on some more free content that I'll be providing on only one platform. So again, if this is helpful for you, make sure you comment below, and we'll plan on talking to you here soon. Post that on Facebook Marketplace and let me know. Hit me back tomorrow. Let me know if you're getting some leads from this. It's totally free. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.